Akuan ni siya, unya butangan ng cheese on top, unya i-bake. Kami kaayo. Sarap! Hi mga loves, it's been a little while. I have not been able to.
At the next lights, turn left.
He's noisy as always. I have not been able to vlog with you guys, so here I am after a little while because I have to upload my overdue video for vlogging. Otherwise, it's going to take a long time to have it done, which is the reason why I was not able to do a lot of driving and vlogging at the same time because I need to finish them off. Anyway, I'm about to see Amy. My daughter and I have an apartment in the valley while she travels so much that almost nobody stays at the apartment. So I asked Amy if she can stay there. And she will have the whole apartment by herself. She's also my best friend. She's my little house sitter in a dog walker while I stay in Beverly Hills. So earlier I asked her when we were at church, where do you want to go for lunch?
Earlier at church.
Si Amy, nahihiya siya. She takes care of the church flowers. She also takes care of the candles. Every Sunday, andito siya talaga. Bait-bait ni Amy. She's my best friend that I can confer with many sad and happy things. Tulungan kita? Anong maikarga ko? This one? Saan ito dadalhin lang? Amy and I are going out today for lunch. Huh? It's Cinco de Mayo. At the same time, it is my son Jeremiah's death anniversary. So i-celebrate na Korean, Filipino, Indian, or do you want
In 1 mile, turn left onto Sherman Way.
kebab, like Middle Eastern, whatever? So we both decided in our common brains that we're gonna go to a Chinese, and therefore I'm driving to a Chinese buffet, which she gave me an address for. So I'm on my way to see her. We'll see how it goes over there. I know there's lots of food on buffets. I kind of empty my stomach. She told me, go to this address. We could not really find it in Google. Oops, a text just came up. She said the name of the buffet is Tropical Buffet. We cannot find it in Google, so she said she's gonna go drive there ahead of me and find out the event. So yeah, I got the address. I'm on my way to see her now. See, Tropical Buffet. Amy and I have chosen this, but it's closed, so we have to find another one. It's now a very lucky day. We just arrived in this restaurant and it is closed. I cannot believe it is closed. They are actually renovating all the time. Now we have found one 15 minutes away from here. We're gonna go anyway. We'll see what it is. We googled something and we found one, and it is called Sumo Asian Grill Buffet. Sumo sounds Japanese to me. For some reason today I like anything that is grill. Sumo Asian Grill. We're turning right here on Victory Boulevard. I can see it from here. Sumo Asian Buffet. Yep, we are here.
You've entered the car park for your destination.
Lucky I found a car park. There's my car. She's looking for a car park and rounding around because it's a very busy Sunday. She can't find. That's her. That's a pretty little car of her. That's my Amy. I love this little girl. There's so much people lining up for it. There's a lot of people. I'm on the 13th. So there's 12 people ahead of us. So mga loves, I have to go up to the car and get my jacket. Ano ba yan? Ang lamig-lamig. Puting tugnawa mga labs. Hi, Aimee. She's choosing her food. And this is the sushi area. That's amazing food. I'm gonna have some of those sashimi. Mamaya, unya, a little later. And I wanna love Noni and sushi area. Saging loves gibugo niya bago pag yun ang mga saging. Drumstick tawag na sa amot na una gamay pa po. Octopus! Nagagmay ng mga crabs and then shrimps.
Mira, me está solita.
Food everywhere ng mga labs. Kana siya murag siya clams na naay. Shrimps ito siya na naay. Cheese on top. Baked clam. Mao ni ang akong paborito nga section kay mga kinilaw ni salmon, kinilaw ug tuna. Yan ay mas kamay na octopus. Sila teppanyaki loves on. Tudlo-tudlo na kaon niya. Sa imong ipaloto and then they will pick it up. They will cook it for you. So, ang akong first batch is tuna and salmon. Okay, Aimee ay Uy, edamame. Yes, she has edamame. And I have a lot. And this is just my first batch because it's a buffet. You can eat as much as you can. Octopus, baked tahong, baked scallops, and then some shrimps. So we put some kikoman, put some wasabi on it, and then that's the ginger salad. This is the ginger salad. And then you put some lemon. That's where I dip my tuna. And then enjoy. Nakaagawan ang mga so kani mga labs kani before long time
ago, mag-cook ni ani sa akong boss when I still work in the Philippines. Tahong ni siya, lapuan ni siya, unya butangan ng cheese on top, unya i-bake. Kami kaayo. Sarap! Octopus lang po, kamay nga ang octopus. Baby octopus. Isda lang po. Sinong bang isda? This is the soup area. And I love the tom yum soup. Always. It has always been my favorite. See? Masarap yan. They have arroz caldo, something like arroz caldo ba yan or something? No, it's mushroom soup, I think. This is fish. Matawag mo lahat, right? Susundan ko sa mga. Pero aso-aso ba ang manok lang po? Mabay paghagwa. Malaki ang storage niya. So, kailangan yung, lalo na pag mga trip-trip. Mag-dessert tayo. Anong dessert? Oh, ang akin ay talagang yung sayang doon. Ang sarap. I like the saging, turon. Sweet. They cook it with like sugar, caramelize it. So it's turon na saging. Saging na turon. However you call it. Tagalog, turon, and Bisaya, maruya. This is the dessert area. Oh, that's banana? Oh, wow. Saging mga loves of banana. Wow, it looks so good. Amy is ready for her dessert. Yeah, the gulaman and stuff, whatever it is. We're just checking out. Ready to go. Day, alam mo yung kotse mo, di ba bago, brand new siya? Meron akong nakitang scratch. Bakit? Anong nangyari? Oh my gosh! Uy, open ang window mo lang. Ito oh. Ito dahil oh, nakita ko yung scratch. My goodness.
Napa-repair ko ate. Ang estimate ay, nagpa-estimate ako sa Mexico.
Magkano?
2007.
Oh, that's expensive. Just for that?
May
Grabe.
kilala ka ba?
Well, dahil ang sakit ng tiyan ko, love. Grabe.
Hindi ako makahinga.
So anyway,
Wala nga akong peace of mind dahil naisip ko to.
oh, ay,
Sabi nito, yung kasabi ng kapatid ko, hayaan mo lang, mahal-mahal lang yun.
yung aking BMW, mayroon konting scratch. Dinala ko sa BMW, yung X3. $100 lang ata yun. Pero this was years ago. At the reason why ganyan siya is because dahil doon galing ang lease. Sa kanila ko inilis yung kotse. Kaya parang na ano na,
Kasi,
na package. O sige na.
thank you ate. Tapos So, dapat
Mauna ka na. Nakatapak ako ng bubble gum. Ah, that's a beautiful bird. Look at that. Bye, darling. Bye. God bless you, honey. Bye. Okay, here you are.